Hello everybody. Today I've been working on straightening up the storage buildings because I bought that right there. But here's a look at it. It's an 8,000 watt running and 10,000 start. And I wanted to put it up here next to the house where I could get to it easily. Yeah, there's the specs on it. I can just easily pull it out of that back corner when I need to use it and then slide it back in there when I'm finished. Up here's the more unused stuff. Got a couple of extra printers and a tower up there. That's insulation in that box. That's a vintage Sears Cold Spot ice cream maker with a crank. Probably from the 60s. Might get that out one day and make some ice cream in it. Got some cleaning stuff here, some fertilizers, some different sauces for the garden, and more here. All these things have a specific job. And there's my sprayers. And this is my stuff for fungus up there. And here's some more sprayers. And some more sprayers. This, I need to move into my plumbing area. Got some seed, my digging utensils, knee pads, rags, oven mitts for the barbecue. And each building has a toolbox in it. These are some impact sprinklers in there from before we had a sprinkler system. It's an old chainsaw in there. And then I got my fertilizer applicator where I can get to it. It used to be wedged in that corner and was a huge pain to get out. And then that's bird seed. This trunk will be my plumbing stuff. And in this one below where all the oil change stuff is, that is concrete materials like floats and trowels and stuff like that to do concrete work, which they've been used throughout the years to do all that. And then here's all my rakes and shovels and stuff like that, and I can get to them easily now, so that's awesome. I've got a T12 fixture with a magnetic ballast installed, but it's not wired up yet. I had this one along with the one I put in the other building, so I figured I'll put this one up here. I'll probably chooch off that junction box there at the corner with some conduit over here. Put a switch somewhere in this region. Maybe an outlet too, so I can charge my battery for the generator. That might be a good idea. So that's this one. Oh, we got a barking dog, so that's always awesome. And I've been working on this one a little bit too. The floor is open. You can get up in here and look around and see what you need. Got the lawn equipment and pressure washer here. There's the 82 John Deere push mower with a Briggs & Stratton and toolbox, gas cans, oil, lubricants, vintage funnel. This is the box with the electrical stuff in it. I need to organize that. And just extra air hose and the seat cushions for the patio furniture. Towels, electric fryer, cooler, just miscellaneous stuff I need to go through. Vintage, I can't remember what these are called. Kick steps, I believe. But, and then the Christmas stuff's back here. tucked away, waiting until November. So that's and this here, this will be some videos coming up. There's some alarm clocks and an old black and white TV in there. So I will be demonstrating each one of those and seeing if they work or if I can get them to work. They may work perfectly, I don't know. But just a quick look. Oh, there's the chainsaw I got cheap as free too. All it needed was a new fuel line. It's good to go. So that's been a look at what I've been doing on this Saturday. It's a nice cool day, so I wanted to get this done before it got hot. And then I may have shown this in another video. I got all my fertilizers in that bottom tote. These are going to be used inside to store different things. Those will be upcoming videos as well. And that's all the tools and things like that I got to put back up. They're just hanging out right there for now. So that's a quick look at my storage building organization. Thank you for watching.